In this video, we'll be talking about how to make a stem and leaf display. Let's say you are a personal trainer for 20 women and you need to report the weights of your clients. We can look at the weights of all the women listed, but if we organize our data as a stem and leaf display, we will be better able to understand our data and how to work with it. For a stem and leaf display, we group the numbers into bins or categories determined by the first part of the number. Since our values all start with 1, we have the option to make that our first stem. However, since all the values start with 1, that would make for a very uninteresting display. All numbers would fall in the same category. Instead, let's use the first 2 digits as our stems. Our first stem is 10. One number starts with those digits. Since it ends in 1, we put 1 here. Our next stem is 11. 2 numbers start with those digits. The third digits are 4 and 7 respectively. Our next stem is 12. The numbers in the leaf are 1, 4, 8, and 9. With a stem of 13, the values in our leaf are 0, 7, 9, and 9. With a stem of 14, the values in our leaf are 2, 4, 8, 9, and 9. With a stem of 15, the values in our leaf are 3 and 7. The stem of 16 has 1 leaf, 3. And the stem of 17 has 1 leaf, 5. Here's what we learned in this video. A stem and leaf displays quantitative data. The stem gives the start of the numbers in each bin. The leaf lists the ends of the numbers in each bin.